Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add subtitles to our video in CapCut. Let's get started. Here I have my CapCut opened and I have imported my video as well. And we're going to add subtitles to this video. So the first thing we're going to do is click on text option right here. And then after that, we can click on auto captions to put subtitles or auto subtitles to this video and select the language right here. And since the video is in English language, so I'm just gonna click on English. And actually there are a lot of languages that you can choose, and I'm just going to click on English. After that, we can choose the sound source, and I'm going to click on from video, and after that we can click on start to start adding the auto captions or auto subtitles. Alright, and now the auto caption has been created, and this is the caption. And we can do batch edit. If we want to do batch edit, we can simply click on this batch edit button right here. Alright, and you can choose the batch that you want to edit, and you can click on this check mark after you're done. And you can also change the style of the text, and it's up to you. You can edit as you like. And let's see the result.
I wanted to tell you something that I now understand, because I've seen this word so.
Right guys, and that's how we can add subtitles to our video in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.